And for those of you in eastern Alachua, northwestern Putnam, southwestern Clay, southeastern Bradford, and we have a tornado warning as well for those of you in Charlton and Brantley counties in extreme eastern Ware County. In fact, the cell that we're going to zoom into in the Folkestone area is, we believe, probably the same cell that produced the tornado down near Camp Landing.
Today is August 10th, 2018, Wednesday.
Lake Brooklyn.
The hurricane made it to Panama Beach, Florida, about 1:30 p.m. today. I am praying for all people in the way of the storm, bad weather all over this world.
The portion of the thunderstorm potentially causing that spinning motion is going to be right here, just to the west of Folkestone, and the core of that storm is also going to be working off to the northeast, so about like this. So although I'm painting that west of Folkestone, it still would feel better for you folks and folks at the very least, folks, you don't want to get in the vehicle and head off to the northeast. Okay, we'll expand the picture and talk about some of the other towns that will be hit, as this cell as well works to the north and northeast at 50 to 55 miles per hour. Again, these tornadoes, this is just the beginning, folks. We may see multiple tornadic events like this from now for another 14 to 18
Jake
hours.
Locksmith serves Jacksonville, Florida.
But the type of weather we've seen over the last hour and a half is the type of weather.
Yes, indeed. I've been in this mess. I'm from New Orleans. I've seen a lot, man. I hope everything goes well. Praying and praying.
Cover all of these events as they ongo. Let's go back to the severe thunderstorm warning. Now, the severe thunderstorm warning may not sound as bad as a tornado warning, but remember, any severe thunderstorm implies damaging winds, and this extends the full breadth of St. Johns County from east to west as it continues to work to the north. In fact, I'll show you what the motion has been over the last 30 minutes or so. It is pretty much from the south and then toward the north, and there you see the motion. So that's pretty quick. Just within the last 30 minutes, it's gone from south of Crescent Beach now to about the Bridge of Lions and the World Golf Village.